Okay, class, today in third grade we're going to be learning about division. So I'm going to read today's I can statement out loud, so you just listen. I can understand division by thinking about how one group can be divided into smaller groups. Now I'm going to read it one more time, and I'm going to read it a little bit slower so you follow along. I can understand division by thinking about how one group can be divided up into smaller groups. Do that with me. How one group can be divided up into smaller groups. Now, let's go through and find our key words. Who can raise their hand and tell me the first key word in our I can statement? Yes? Oh, okay, I can. Yes, can is an important word in our I can statement. Can means that we're going to learn that today. Very good. Thank you. The other word? That's understand. Understand. It means that you learn something, that you get it. Good question. Don't worry about it. Okay? So let's keep going. I can understand division by thinking about how one group can be divided. Divided means that it's split up. Can be divided into smaller groups. So our I can statement says that you can understand how a big group of something can be divided and separated out into smaller groups. So to show you guys that, I'm going to do a little bit of an example. So I have my one big group right here, and I'm going to divide it up into smaller groups. And just by doing this, I'm dividing it into 10 smaller groups. So I took my one large group and I divided it up into 10 smaller groups. So give me a thumbs up if our I can statement is something that you understand. Give me a half thumb if you don't really understand, but you kind of do. Now, give me a thumbs down if you don't understand at all, if you don't know what I'm talking about at all. Okay, class, good job today. Let's look back at our I can statement. I can understand division by thinking about how one group can be divided into smaller groups. So how well did we do on our lesson today? I want you to give me a thumbs up if you think you did so well that you could reteach this to somebody else. I want you to give me a half thumb if you understood it, but you're not all of it, just most of it. Give me a half thumb if you only understood most of it. And I want you to give me a thumbs down if you don't understand it and you would like some more practice and some more time to work on that.